Welcome. Today's video, I'm gonna share with you the metrics that I look for when buying a turnkey multifamily property. So I'm JP, Juan Pablo, Multifamily Done For You, CEO and founder. Let's jump into it. All right, so one of the first things I look for when buying a turnkey multifamily property is the current cash flow, right? And that's pretty much the income minus the operating expenses, minus vacancy, maintenance reserves, debt service, if you're paying for a mortgage, seller finance, etc. The bottom line. I care about how much cash flow am I making per door per month. Next metric that I look for is the R, which is my return. There are many returns you can look into for multifamily, like internal rate of return. One of the main things I like to look at to keep it short, simple, sweet, is the cash on cash return, which basically means how much net operating income that I'm receiving, which is your gross rents minus your expenses, that does not include your debt service, income minus expenses, divided by how much cash I had to come out of pocket to buy this property. Okay, so that's one of the key things I like to look for is the cash on cash return. The next thing is equity. How much built-in equity am I receiving for this property? Or how can I force the appreciation to further grow my equity into this property? What can I do to make it appreciate more? Okay. And I always like to make sure that when I buy the property, that I always pay less than what it's worth. And the last thing is kind of a spin off from the E, the equity, but just to be a little bit more clear and specific, value add, CREV, that's the acronym, value add. So I always look to see how can I add value to this property? Can I increase the rents? Can I add additional things to monetize the property, like coin laundry, vending machines? What can I do to make more money? Application fees, or what can I do to further reduce my costs? Can I bundle the insurances to reduce it? Can I contest my taxes? Can I do energy efficient things if I, the owner, am responsible for utilities? You know, turnkey things, right? There's additional value add stuff you can do that's more of a fix and rent play, such as if you were to separate the utilities all together, that's RUBS, ratio utility billing services. You can do that, or you can add additional bedrooms and baths and units, square footage, but I'm just talking about the turnkey play. All right, so that's you. If you're interested in buying turnkey multifamily, then what I want you to do is just check the link below in the description. Book a discovery call, so that way we can see if we're a good fit for you, you're good fit for us, and we can make the multifamily magic happen. So I'm Juan Pablo, JP. As always, to your success, continue to earn passively, live passionately. Peace.